What up, YouTube? It's the OG Fast T back with another video. Um, got a little pack in. I haven't did one of these in so long. I mean, like, it's been a minute, you know. I was gonna do it on my other channel, but it's a sneaker. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. I might do the eventually. I'm gonna do the on foot with some more of my sneakers on my other sneaker channel. The link to that will be down in the description. But anyway, I'm a little tired. I just got through working out and stuff. But let's go ahead and crack this open and see what's in here. You know what I'm saying? Sit tight. Let me wow. All right, now I know when I had ordered it, it was in the description, so I'm really not tripping that it wasn't a shoebox. I got plenty of shoeboxes upstairs, so you know, in my sneaker room up here. But yeah, just see how they looking. Okay. Alright. You already know. Fuck with them Adidas the long way. You know? These some Adidas forms. They are DS. You know. But y'all don't know what DS mean, because I know I got a lot of old school people that follow me. That mean dead stock, you know what I'm saying? They haven't been on foot or war, you know. But anyway, this is the shoe. They are suede. You got a little purple right there. Those are the laces. Let me see if I can get some light on right here. That's the laces. They are, let's see, that's purple. The laces are purple. I don't know if it's gonna pick up in the camera. But yeah, they're pretty slick, you know. Just the tongue on. Let me take the strap off. Let's strap. I got a Adidas Top 10 fan club on Facebook. Go check it out. A lot of cats from Detroit and Boston. You know, old heads like me. Let's see what the interior looking like. Yeah. The camera had cut off, my bad. We'll make this real quick and short. But anyway, the shoe look real nice. You see the suede on there. You know. Reason I copped this colorway because I got the blue one. These are the blue joints right here. It's the strap. It's the blue ones. I don't know how I stuck these. Tissue in there. It's the blue boys. And these the creams. Anyway, I'd like to thank y'all for stopping by for this video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And share this video. It's your man OG Fast T. I'm out of here.